If you want to make a ton of Robux, you're going to need proximity prompts because every big game on the front page has plenty of them all around their play. They work very well because they are super simple and they get right up in the player's face. So don't worry, hit that subscribe button because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your very own proximity prompts in Roblox Studio. This video will cover creating the proximity prompt itself, setting it up to work with the developer product so you can earn Robux, and making it do something in return for the player. So first, load up your Roblox place, and it's going to be really easy. First, we have to find the model tab at the top, and then create a part by pressing the part button. This will spawn a part that you can move around in the workspace, and you can move it wherever you'd like. We can make it transparent so you don't have to see this part, but I'm going to make it red so we can see it easily for this tutorial. We could also rename this part and call it the prompt part to find it easily in the workspace, but this is the part that the proximity part will be attached to. This is because the proximity prompt needs a 3D location, so Roblox knows where the interaction UI should show up. Now that we have the part, we can now press the plus symbol on the part and find the proximity prompt option and add it. There are not many properties that we are going to mess with in this video, but what we will change is the action text. We'll just change it to press me. You can put whatever words you'd like for your needs. And if we press play and go towards the prompt part, we can see that a prompt shows up with the words press me. But if we press the button, it does not actually do anything. So I'm going to make the proximity prompt pop up a purchase prompt that when pressed will kill the player. So we are going to need to create a developer product first, and you can create one by going to file in the top left and pressing on game settings and then monetization and click create. This will create a new developer product that you can edit by clicking the 3 dots. You can change the name and price to whatever you want, and now that we have that done, we can create 2 scripts that will work together to detect a press made by the player, process a purchase that the player can buy, and grant the player with the result that they wanted. First, we will create a server script under the prompt part, and we can name it prompt script and start writing this one out. For those who don't want to type it along with me, don't worry, the code is found in the description. And while you are there, be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. What this script does is to get the Roblox marketplace service that handles buying developer product. Then we store the developer product ID that we will grab later. Then it finds the proximity prompt attached to the parent of the script, which is the prompt part. And when the player activates the proximity prompt, it'll run this function, where it will show a purchase window to the player for the developer product ID that we will set up soon. I actually made an error here that I corrected on later. I typed prompt game pass purchase by accident, which is actually a really big problem. I figured that out once I created the second script and tested the prompt out and kept getting this error. But after setting my laptop on fire and going on a small walk to gather my thoughts, I discovered that it was the prompt game pass purchase that was causing this, because we are using a developer product for this purchase, not a game pass. So we have to make sure it's the correct process, which is marketplace service PromptProductPurchase. So now that we got the first script, let's make the second one, which will be the purchase handler that will give out the result. We are going to make this one inside of the server script service. We need the Roblox marketplace service again with this line. Then this line will call this function after the player buys a product, giving the script info about the purchase. Then this line will find the player who has purchased the developer product using player ID in the receipt, and then get the player ID, which we will get once we finish the script. And if the developer ID in the receipt is the developer ID we've been using, then the script will get the character's current model and make sure it has a humanoid. And if it does, we will set the player's humanoid's health to 0. Which will instantly kill them. And once we finish this script, we will have to get the developer product ID. We can do this by going to File, going to Game Settings, Monetization, and clicking the 3 dots, and clicking Copy ID to Clipboard. And we will paste the developer product ID in the places they should be in both scripts. Once we have done that, we can now press play, and if we walk up to the prompt part, we can see that the prompt shows up. And if we press on the prompt, we will be shown the purchase prompt. And if we accept, we would pay Robux and get killed, which shows that it works perfectly. And don't worry, you won't be charged any Robux because we are in Roblox Studio. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial helps you and leads you to make awesome games on Roblox. I post videos like this one all the time, so be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what other kinds of videos I should make, and if you'd like to support me further, please be sure to check out the links to my games in the description. Thanks for watching.